I'd like to now talk about the column on your program that says tempo. Tempo is a more advanced technique, so if you're new to the gym or new to the facility, sometimes your program may have that column blank, and you'll get there over the course of training with us at the All Access Fitness Academy. If you do have tempo in your program, you should notice 3 numbers. The first number is what we call the eccentric component of your workout. The middle number is the pause, and the last number is the concentric component. That first number, the eccentric component, talks about the easy part of the lift where your muscles are getting stretched. So for example, on a bench press, the eccentric motion is when you're lowering the weight going with gravity down to your chest. The middle number, the pause, is how long you should pause at the tough point of that workout. On the bench press, it would be when you pause on your chest before you push the weight back up. The pause is important because it removes any momentum, meaning that you're going to get the most muscle activation versus if you just drop the weight and went quickly, where you're letting momentum take away some of the benefit of the exercise. That last number, which stands for the concentric part, is when your muscles are shortening and they're producing force, and that's the part where your exercise you're going against gravity. Again, on the bench press, that's when you're pushing the weight off your chest and lifting it up until your arms are straight. On a chin-up, the concentric part is pulling your chin up towards the bar, the pause is at the top, and the eccentric part is when you lower yourself all the way down again. So remember those 3 numbers. Eccentric is the first number, pause is the second number, concentric is the third number. And if you see an X in the concentric part, that means you should try to move the weight as explosively as possible. As a general rule of thumb, you want to control the eccentric part of the lift, you want to have a nice pause, and then you want to move the weight as fast as possible in the concentric part. Thank you. That's tempo.